So I changed the solenoid. See, it's new solenoid. Wait, yep. And then I also I cleaned all these. I sanded them off and cleaned them. They're all, well, that one, yeah, I used a wire brush and cleaned every one of them. Every one of the connectors. I checked, here's the fuses. This one here was the one that was out. But it's fixed and replaced. So then I come up here to start it. And it says F on the transmission. Got all the lights, everything. But that's what it does when I try to start it. Everything comes back. There is no lights on the gear shifter. No lights at all. And it's plugged in. I checked the connections. Here's the connections. It's plugged in. But nothing. I checked all the fuses here. Everyone was good, working, even matched it right here. Nothing is working.